Hey everybody, this is Janelle from Numbs the Word, and today we're going to talk about pie cracks. Pie season's coming, and having a crack in the middle of your pie is one of the most devastating things after you've worked so hard. So let's talk about how to prevent a pie crack so you get a beautiful pumpkin pie this holiday season. The main reason a pie cracks is because it's gone into shock. You've just taken it from a toasty warm oven to a cold counter. And by doing so, as it cools rapidly, the center of your pie generally cracks. So how do you prevent this? It's super easy. The easiest way to prevent a pie crack in the middle, so you get that beautiful pie, is simply turning off your oven, leaving your pie in the oven, and cracking your oven door open. You want to do that, it'll let the hot air out slowly, let the cold air in slowly, and it'll allow your pie to cool at a slow rate. By doing this, your pie will be crack-free. Leave it in the oven for about an hour, and it'll also make it easier to transport and move so you don't wiggle any unset portion